What's the meaning of corbel? Corbel. Corbel.
Corbel. Corbel. A corbel is a structural element that projects from a wall and helps to support a load. It is often made of stone, brick, or wood and has a distinctive shape that allows it to bear weight without collapsing. Corbels have been used in architecture for thousands of years and can be found in many different styles and designs. They are often decorative as well as functional and can add a sense of elegance and grandeur to a building's exterior or interior. Overall, corbels are an important feature of architectural design that serve both practical and aesthetic purposes.